What's up? It's Justin McLean. Really excited for today. We actually got access with friend of the vlog, Brandon Dermer, and Dillon Francis. We're gonna go on set with them for Dillon's new video for the song Unconditional. Just waiting for Brandon to pick me up. Oh, he's here.
Bro. Let's do it. Let's go make a video.
Thanks for swooping me up.
No problem. Let's get it. We wanted to bring you guys on set for this one because we just have a lot of really fun elements. Special effects makeups, we got martial artists, got skateboarders. The cover art is Dillon's grandparents holding each other in total love. So we were like, okay, let's take that and do the comedic version. The first thing we're filming today is the end of the video, putting Dillon on stage in his contemporary clothing, looking like the young Dillon Francis. Today we're working with cinematographer Deangelo Harding. He's been shooting stuff for a bunch of amazing, talented artists, and today he's gonna be shooting this music video.
Yes, that's a really good idea. Yes, absolutely. And then just, yeah, lots of that. Yeah. No, that'll look so good. Yeah. Right now, Dermer's looking at the shot. I'm just standing in. It's having a fun day where we got a bunch of the friends we made a movie with in Temecula this fall. Really pumped to show you guys around.
We'll just pile them in and I'll get them
Finally down there. Cool. Okay, shortest to tallest. Pile it in. Everyone.
Hey Justin, will you go stand in as Dillon?
Currently standing in for Dillon. I just pretended to DJ and the whole crowd threw their hands up. I was like, oh my God.
Moses comes up, gives me the fruit to sign. I'll smile at the crowd, sign it, give it back to him, and he'll throw it. And so we want to have.
Or should you throw it?
I can throw it. Yeah, I'll throw it.
Yeah, so you just put it down here. But we should maybe also get an insert, right?
Yeah.
Like come in with the handheld and just get that.
Yeah.
And lights see me going crazy.
Oh yeah, light check.
Yeah.
So many prosthetics. 16 prosthetics in like 4 hours, and we're already behind. We haven't even started, but we're behind.
You're free, bro.
Shorts on set, baby.
What? These aren't on. Yeah. Should we see him on?
Yeah. Hey, Jake.
Yeah. Just shot the end of the video. It went great. It's such a weird experience because we're shooting young Dillon on stage with this crowd and getting everyone hyped up. Then they gotta wait for 3.5 hours while they go through the prosthetic makeup, but it was so worth it because they looked amazing.
Do you like Mike?
I think it's gonna be totally fine.
Cool. Because I just want to roll on to stuff like that.
Getting that cutesy shit in there.
Yeah. And then skate park, dude. Don't even try me.
Test this old man. Don't even test me, bro.
Don't fucking test me. This, right?
Don't even test me. He's testing me.
Bro, my bad. I was trying to vlog. Right now I'm standing in Deangelo can find his frame and also dial in his lighting. See? Look at him take it in. He's taking in the light.
So I'll do like camera and then actions for Dillon to turn.
Okay.
You set? Mm-hmm. So camera, action.
Weak man, weak man.
That does
weak
suck.
Man.
That fucking blows. Oh, dude, it's so heavy.
Damn, dude, that sucks.
Yeah.
Holy shit. And then we push in.
There's a screen right on the top right.
Yeah, dude, it's bent. Bro. Okay, cool. Yeah, pushing on you? Yeah, that's ugly as fuck.
Camera, action.
That was great. I want to try one more where as he's like, it looks like I kind of am waiting for a second.
Give it an earlier action.
Yeah,
Got
right.
it. Yeah, let's do it. Action. And walk. Cool. Come on, Alex. Quick question. If I have this in the background, and I have it greened out like that, how big of a bitch is that for him? For them moving right now, I just think with the timeline, I should avoid hitting it.
Okay.
Load out.
So they're just gonna be eating and then we feel the TV.
Okay.
Did you hear that new thing?
This is such a...
Yeah.
Damn. Also, you sitting here, you look so goddamn old right now. Action.
All right, back to 1.
I'm just gonna go.
Camera, action.
Oh my
Yeah, cut.
Don't ever text me again, dude.
Can we use your
Yeah,
skateboard?
maybe use that one.
Oh, you have the double? Okay, yeah.
We are at the North Hollywood skate park. We got a skate double here who's going to come in for Dillon and do some crazy tricks. Check this out.
This is how
We're
we
gonna go
do
grab it from one of the
make
kids.
it legal.
Crazy.
How's everyone feeling on ETHO first shot from Noelle?
5 minutes.
You get the sunglasses,
Yeah.
and then you just skate and roll off, and you just jump and clap.
Okay.
But facing us though.
That was actually really great.
Yeah, let's do that. That's great.
Are they amazing? That kid kind of got in the way.
Are you rolling?
All right, go. All good?
We just got to our last location for today. We're at Circus Liquors in the Valley, popularized in Clueless, of course. Dylan, thanks for letting me vlog your shoot.
Of course,
You're the
I love
sweetest
you.
guy in the world.
You're the best director ever. Don't let Dermer bring you down and tell you that you're not a director, because you are.
Okay, well, I might have to edit that part out, but I appreciate it either way.
Dermer has scammed all of us, and I'm sick of it.
All night, all night, all night. Makeup after week by till after all this time you drop.
We start at the beginning of the next one. Okay. Right, cut. Yeah. What do you want? If you can do it.
Like this, because I'm gonna have Dillon come up and go like that.
Yeah.
All right, now hold there. Now Dillon, you go in like that.
You get that?
Play that. Play that.
Oh, fuck.
And then maybe they could stay stand.
Let's go!
You don't feel secure, just say something.
Just want to thank Dillon and Brandon again for letting me vlog this shoot. I hope you had fun. Not sure if you learned anything because I haven't done a great job of narrating, but I appreciate you watching and we'll see you in the next video. Again, I'm Justin McLean. My day job is a production designer, but I do a lot of stuff. If you could hit a like and a sub if you like this, I'd really appreciate it. I'll see you guys next time. Thanks.